Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can export Webflow website source code. So basically, first things first, you want to head over to the Webflow dashboard right here, and inside you then want to click or select the project that you want to export the code of. In our case, it's going to be the starter site right here. Click on the Open in Webflow, and you will then be taken to this page. Basically, from here, you then want to find the button to export your code. And basically, you can find that by clicking on the Webflow icon, which is going to be this button right here. From there, this pop-up menu will show up, where then you have the ability to click on the export code button. So just click on it. You can either choose between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And from there, you have successfully exported your source code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.